we're doing what you're not supposed to do. Christian, have you ever used an oven cleaner?
No.
You've seen your mother, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, she sprays it on something like this.
Yeah.
Well, notice, we're doing what you're not supposed to do. You notice, first of all, I had you put on rubber gloves.
Yeah.
Which you're supposed to do. And now we're spraying a nice sheet of aluminum foil with oven cleaner. Okay, that's fine. Now will you roll it up into a nice ball, just roll it all up, and stick it here on this paper plate. Okay. Now, while we're letting that sit there, would you read just the last paragraph of the instructions there? What does it say?
Caution. Wear rubber gloves and avoid inhaling mist.
Okay, that we've done, right? You got the rubber gloves on, and you have avoided inhaling the mist. Next.
Keep out of reach of children.
That includes you. Told you we were doing something we're not supposed to do, and you can see why in a minute. Go ahead.
In case of contact with clothes, paint, furniture, or floor, dilute with water immediately.
Right, that's because water will spread the chemical out so it won't be as active, because there's a dangerous chemical in there. Keep going.
Okay. Do not spray on exterior oven surfaces, chrome.
Look what's happening.
Uh-oh.
Keep going. Read the next sentence. Do not spray on what?
Exterior oven surfaces, chrome, baked enamel, or aluminum.
Or aluminum. That's exactly
That is aluminum.
That's exactly what we're not supposed to do. And the reason I wanted to do this is to show you why you should follow the instructions very carefully. Because you see what's happening to this aluminum foil? It's bubbling and smoking.
Yeah.
Now, inside of that kind of oven cleaner, at least, is a very strong chemical called sodium hydroxide, or some people call it lye. And it reacts very strongly with many things, including the fat in the oven. That's why you use it, because it helps get rid of it. And that's why you have to wear rubber gloves, because it could attack your skin. If you get it on, you wash it off. Careful, that's why I put newspapers all over the place. Let's take a look at what's going on inside. Here, can I use your gloved hands for me? Well, but check. It also generates an awful lot of heat. So check it, see if it's too hot to handle.
Yeah, it is.
Kind of hot?
Yeah.
Well, here, I will use these to open it up. And you will see what's going on inside and why you're not supposed to put oven cleaner on aluminum.
Wow, it's eating.
Yeah, it's all eaten up. In fact, spray a little more in the center there.
Wow.
See how it bubbles away? There's a very, very strong chemical reaction taking place between the sodium hydroxide and the aluminum. So while oven cleaner is a very handy thing to have around the house because it helps get your oven nice and clean, it's a very, very strong chemical. So you should read and follow the instructions very carefully. Also avoid the mist.